Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, the following conversation is about basic needs. Honey, I'm really worried about our basic needs and struggling hard as to how to cope up with them lately. I know, dear, it's been quite tough and challenging, though. The utility bills keep piling up, and we are barely keeping up with the pace. I have never ever thought it would be this hard. Yeah, it's quite frustrating. Even daily staples are getting more expensive. Although we are cutting back, yet it's still not enough. I have been thinking about it all day. It's a high time that we need to figure out something quickly. We just can't bear to go on like this. I have been thinking too as to how to handle the prevailing situation. I understand the best solution is to pick up a part time job in the evenings or weekends. That certainly helps, but I fear that it wear you out since you are already working so much. Am I right? Yes, but we don't have many options except the one to opt for. We need the extra money, even if it's just for a short while. I have been drastically looking into cutting more expenses, but we are already down to meet the basics. No extra items, no parties, luxuries. Obviously, I can feel the pressure. It's already hard to enjoy any other activities since we are constantly thinking and worried about monetary levels. Exactly. I could barely remember the last time when we did something for fun. As such, everything goes to utility bills. It's really a point to ponder about. I know, but we have to keep pushing through. I hope and I'm confident things will get better eventually. Right? I hope so. But right now, it feels, in fact, like we are just surviving, not living. Got it. Maybe we can also talk to a financial advisor for timely advice. Hope it works to manage things better. That sounds a great idea. We need all the help we can get at this particular instance. I just want to feel secure again. We will definitely figure it out. It seems hard, but we can get through this with mutual understanding. I know as long as we keep trying, we'll definitely find a way out of this present crisis. We will. We just need to stay strong and keep supporting each other. I know as long as we keep trying, we will certainly find a way out of this. We will. What we need is to stay strong and keep supporting each other. The next conversation is about celebration dinner. Linda, Max, the team wants to celebrate the project that we successfully accomplished pretty lately. So we are going to arrange a dinner tomorrow. Sounds great. Did you have a place in mind for arranging this great event? They all mutually agreed and suggested Silver Spoon. Is that okay with you? Perfect. It's a bit fancy though. Should we keep the dress code relaxed? Maybe you're right. We don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable. Mind if I give a second option? How about the Spanish place down the street? They serve good food with an ambience of relaxed atmosphere. That's a great idea. I'll let the team know. Max? Yes, Linda. What is it? Will it be okay? You know, us being there together outside work. It'll be fine. You know, we are celebrating with the whole team. Remember? Right, of course. I'm a bit overwhelmed, probably, about it. It's quite natural to be cautious, but we can relax a bit for sake of team celebrations. You're absolutely right. It'll be nice to celebrate along with the entire team for our hard work. Absolutely. We have all earned it by dint of hard work, especially you, Linda. Thanks, Max. Your constant support means a lot to me. See you tomorrow, then. Definitely. Looking forward to it. Good night, Linda. Good night, Max. Good night.